Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another product review. Tonight we're going to do an unboxing of a non-bearded product. Yes. Tonight we're going to be doing an unboxing of my monthly subscription of, that's right, Alpha Outpost. Stay tuned.
This is the beginning of meditation.
Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you've been checking out some of my videos and you like them, you might as well hit the thumbs up button. And if you want, keep up to date with my content, hit that notification bell. As you guys know, I do a monthly unboxing of Alpha Outpost, and it's that time of the month. We got our box in. This month is called the Doc Box. That's DOC. If you guys aren't familiar with how Alpha Outpost works, if you sign up, your first box is $5. If you get your box, and I say this in every unboxing, you won't regret it. You get your first box, you'll love it, and you'll want to keep getting them. Anything after the $5 is $40, $39.99. You get it sent straight to your doorstep each month, and I think you'll be very satisfied. I've been getting these boxes for a while now, and anything that comes in these boxes, there's at least one item that's a high dollar item or considered a high dollar item. They've come through every single time, at least in my opinion, in my eyes. They got some good stuff in these boxes, period. That's just my opinion. So, with that said, called the Doc Box. And when you hear, hey Doc, what's going on, Doc? Where you go to visit your doctor? Get a feeling it's going to be all medical supplies, which is awesome. Here we go. I cut the tape, of course. When you open your box, you are greeted with the top part. It's like a postcard type material. Kind of gives you the rundown of what's in the box. I never usually look at it until after the actual unboxing, because I don't want to give it away of what's in the actual box. But and yes, what we have here is a box full of goodies. If you're out hiking, camping, whatever you're doing outdoors, you get hurt, this is the box you definitely want to have. So right off the top, I'm just going to gather a little bit of this up to kind of put it together. There's a lot of interesting stuff in here. Right off the top, you get some nice alcohol pads. And of course, you fall down, you scrape your knee, you scrape your elbows, you want to get that wound nice and clean. It's going to burn like a sonbitch, but at least it'll be clean. Let's see what else we got. Got some ibuprofen. That's always nice. Sting relief pad. You get stung by a bee or something, you got some relief right there. What do we got here? Triple antibiotic ointment. So that's basically your, you want to put on like open wounds or something so they don't get infected. It's kind of like Neosporin. This is kind of cool. This is how you have like your accountability tags. These are kind of that, but with your blood type. That's pretty neat. Very cool. Of course, you got some gauze. And of course, no first aid kit would be good if it didn't have Band-Aids in it. And it looks like you got like a little butterfly Band-Aids. I don't know if you can see that. And of course, the strips. This says this is a flex Band-Aid, latex free. Oh, what else? And of course, your rubber gloves. That's definitely a must. Want to contract any type of blood from one person to the other, so you definitely have to have those. This is a cold pack. cold pack. You know, you fall, you break your leg or something, or you twist your ankle, you smash this off of something, and it's gonna get cold. 2 thumbs up for that. Standard medical tape. Of course, you gotta have something to keep the gauze on with. Another nice little wrap your arm. If you twist something, this would be good for a tourniquet too as well. You can tie it around your arm, leg, wherever, and it's a good tourniquet. Set of tweezers, a must-have for a medical kit. These could be used for anything. Get stingers out. Let's see, I'm trying to get kind of the smaller items out first, and of course, like I said, you get your big dollar items or your high dollar item, and this is a tourniquet. And judging from the looks of it, it's a pretty nice tourniquet. I'll bust this out and show you guys. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I see. Basically, what you would do with this is you would, first of all, take that off. You would put this around the victim's arm, like that. And of course, this little bridge right here, you want this thing as tightly as possible. If you know a little bit about first aid or tourniquets, this little thing is when you have it around your patient's arm, you just give that a couple more twists, and what that does is get it tighter. And to keep it from slinging out, you just put it in that little cross member. Put this little Velcro strap over it, keeps it from flinging out, and then you write the time of when you put the tourniquet on. So that's definitely a good thing to have. Comes in a little bag. Next up, I found another little triple antibiotic ointment, and this is like a pad type, which I'm assuming you break your arm or something, you put it around your arm, you wrap it. That's pretty handy too. Pair of shears, very nice. Let's see. And it's got where you can strap it to you. Oh yeah. And if you guys aren't familiar, this is kind of where you can get underneath the things when you're trying to cut, and you just and then it's a nice set of shears. And the final one, and this was going to be the high dollar item in this box. I can tell you that right now. Check this out. Of course, you get all this first aid stuff. You're going to need something to put it in. So they included a nice trauma bag. Very, very cool. And of course, you get your Velcro patch, American flag. And then of course another patch that comes off. Very awesome. Let's see. And a sling. I just seen that too. That, I'm very, very satisfied with this. If you guys know anything about emergency medical treatment or first aid, or I would consider this above just a normal first aid kit, especially with all the tools in this kit. And what this card is, like I said at the beginning, it's everything that's in this. So I'll quickly read off what's in this. You get an EMT pouch, arm bandage sling, a moleskin, shears, alcohol pad, tourniquet, unisex, blood type patch, kit, medical tape, tweezers, cold pack, nitrile gloves, ibuprofen, sting relief, knuckle bandage, triple antibiotic ointment, gauze pads, flex fit bandages. So this is, you know, a really awesome first aid kit. Guys, once again, they've knocked it out of the park in my eyes. Guys, these are my opinions. I've been in the fire service a long time, since I was 15. I started as a cadet and I just went up the ladder. Definitely stuff you need in the spur of the moment. The tourniquet you're going to need eventually if you go hiking, camping, or whatever it is. Alpha Outpost, 2 thumbs up for me again. You guys never let down. Awesome box. All the links will be in the description below if you guys are interested in this. Like I said, your first box is $5. You get your box, and if you like your box and you want to keep getting them, it's $39.99 therein after. So I think you guys will love what's inside of these boxes, especially stuff like this. For me, this is a big score. You know, having a firefighter background, you know, first responder background, this stuff will definitely come in handy for me. Thank you guys for watching the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Alpha Outpost, keep nailing these boxes. Absolutely awesome. Till the next Alpha Outpost unboxing, I'll see you then. Peace.